Thank you for taking a few minutes to view the video tutorial for the Online Account Services program. You may fast forward, rewind, or pause at any time by using the control features located at the bottom of the player. Let's begin. For user convenience, navigation is standardized across all pages with similar functions and buttons found on other websites. On most pages, the user can print the page by simply clicking the printer. To send email, click the letter icon of the person you wish to email. If you have any suggestion or comments, please do not hesitate to let us know by using the Contact Us button, and don't forget to add Ready Carpet as one of your favorites. On many of the fields that require the insertion of a date, a current calendar can be pulled up to assist in the date selection process. The user can log off at any time by pressing the red Log Off button. Like most web pages, going back to previously viewed pages can be achieved by using your browser's back button. For management companies, an additional button has been added titled Select Property. This allows individuals at the management company level to view all of their properties that are Ready Carpet customers. To select a property, click on the button next to the property name, then click Go. The online account services will then be reset to that particular property. Changing between properties can be made at any time. When you begin using the Online Account Services program, the first page that appears is the home page. The home page graph gives a quick snapshot of the property's current spending trends against the user set budget. The Options section allows you to change the customizable features of online account services. The home page chart type and graph can be changed in this section. Although the default setting is a bar graph showing year-to-date budget versus actual, you may choose to view the records in one of several formats listed on the drop-down bars. Defaults for the property's carpet and vinyl products life that affect the prorate calculator can be selected in this section. The prorate calculator will be explained in greater detail later on in this tutorial. Changes to the user password can also be made in this section. The online ordering section of your account has been customized for each property using your specific floor plans, measurements, and products purchased. Here, you can place orders online with just a few strokes of the keys and clicks of the mouse. Start by entering all of the required information on the first page. Units that need replacement of different types of surfaces must be made separately. For example, should Unit 1 with Floor Plan A need carpet, the person entering the order would select Floor Plan A, then click Proceed. After completing the carpet order, if Unit 1 with Floor Plan A also needs the vinyl in the bathroom replaced, the user would fill out another order, this time selecting Floor Plan A Bath. Since the online ordering page is customized for each property, ordering online is fast, easy, and helps reduce errors. The prorate calculator enables you to determine the replacement cost resulting from excess flooring surface wear by one of your residents, allowing you to recover these costs from the deposit funds. By entering some basic information like unit number and floor plan, you can view the most recent invoice detail for that unit. The program will calculate the amount of damage based on replacement cost. Start by entering in the unit number, floor plan, and flooring type. Then click Proceed. The life of flooring will be auto-populated from the year chosen as the property's default life expectancy in the Options section. Talk to your account manager to determine the life expectancy of flooring specific to your property. Next, enter in the time the resident occupied the unit and whether or not the pad needs to be replaced. The final step is to choose the carpet. Once complete, click Calculate to initiate the Ready Carpet Prorate Flooring Calculator. The budgeting section has been developed to help you monitor your floor covering expenditures. First, select the year you would like to budget or change and click on the Go button. Using the Budget Setup feature, you can enter your company's accounting periods for the coming fiscal year. The accounting periods may already be populated with a range, and this may match your fiscal calendar. If it does not, simply enter the correct dates or click and choose dates from the calendar located next to each field. Once you have completed entering the dates and budget amounts, click the Submit button to enable the changes to go into effect. Once the budget has been established, you can track and compare budget to actual amounts throughout the year using the month-to-date, year-to-date review feature. Select the year you would like to view and click on the Go button. From left to right, you will notice columns titled Period for the 12 accounting periods in a fiscal year, beginning and ending dates for each accounting period, the budgeted and actual amounts for each period, the open to buy or variance amount for the period, and the percentage of budget remaining. Listed horizontally across the bottom of the page are the year-to-date totals. Also in this section, the user can click on any of the underlying numbers to display the invoices and work orders associated with that period of time. The Yearly Review section provides a broader view of your floor covering purchases by comparing the selected year purchases to the previous year. Select the desired year from the drop-down menu and click the Go button. Displayed, you will see your current year to previous year spending by accounting period. Listed on the right-hand side of the screen is the period variance and the percent of variance. Totaled at the bottom of the column are the year-to-date purchases and year-to-date budget for both the previous year and the comparison year. For your review, this section totals the variance year-to-date and variance percentage year-to-date. Like in the previous budget review section, the user can click on any of the underlying numbers to display the invoices and work orders associated with that period of time. Provided in the accounting section is a statement option. Here you will find the total balance outstanding. Listed below the balance is detailed information. From left to right, the work order and invoice numbers, the invoice and due dates, and the original amount and balance due for each invoice. You will notice a line below each work order and invoice number. This is an indication that more information can be accessed by clicking on the number. For example, by clicking on a work order or invoice number, you are able to view a copy of the document showing job detail information, material installed, labor used, quantities, and payment information. One of the most dynamic sections of the Online Account Services program is the History section. This section enables you to view work order, invoice, payment, and unit history. The search options for work order, invoice, and unit history are similar. These screens enable you to sort by install date, work order number, unit number, or purchase order number. The Payment History search screen enables you to search by check date or check number. Let's begin with order history. As you can see from this page, you can gain access to your account information using a variety of sort options. For example, to view all of the carpet installations at a property, click on the drop-down tab labeled Type for type of work. Next, select Carpet and the list will be resorted, showing detail for only the carpet installations. For another important feature on this page, notice the Select column located at the left-hand side of the screen. By checking the box next to a specific work order, you can drill down to view detailed information and notes listed on that work order. As on the previous History section, the Invoice History page has several sort options for your use. The Select feature is listed on the left-hand side of the screen to allow access to detailed information about each invoice. To expedite your search, several search options have been provided at the top of the page. Listed on the Payment History page, you find the following information: check number, date, amount, invoice, work order number, amount paid, invoice date, and unit number. On the Unit History page, you will see much of the same information provided on previous pages. However, this page is designed specifically to search by unit number. This concludes our online tutorial. By now, you should have a basic understanding of the Online Account Services Program and the advantages it provides to your organization. For further assistance with the use of the program, please contact your local Ready Carpet account manager.